nice exhaust leak up front. So I don't know if my manifold's loose, my downpipe's loose or what, but damn, that's unfortunate. Whatever, we can fix it. Well, that noise ended up being an issue. And as we can see, my downpipe fell off. So that's cool. Luckily my V-band kind of saved it, so it's just been riding on the V-band, which is good because that part's replaceable, everything else custom. I didn't want to ruin it. So luckily this happened literally a quarter mile from my buddy's shop. And here, my buddy Alex, 32 Motorsports. He does all Volkswagen stuff. He actually helped us out with a lot of the parts on the E46, and we're gonna fix it. Luckily we can fix it. So. Well, let's come to this. In the parking lot, we quickly threw like a nut on just so it didn't drag anymore, but my V-band took all of the damage for me, which is like actually pretty good. Since Alex only works on the Volkswagens, he doesn't have any, it's a really weird thread pitch for this one, and so the bolt pin didn't save our ass this time. We happened to find one copper exhaust bolt, and since it's copper, it means it'll cross thread a little bit easier. So we're gonna send that on to get me home, and I'll just replace the studs on the downpipe and we should be all set. One copper nut, big ass washer, and a pair of really expensive vice grips. So hopefully that'll get us home. Thank you so much.
No problem, man. Anytime.
We're not in home free yet, but we gotta get back to the shop. We're only about like 2 miles away, so it's not too bad. I just gotta be easy on it and we should be all straight. Luckily, Alex down at 32 Motorsport saved the day, really helped me out. So if you guys, any of you guys have a Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, any of that, bring it down to Alex. He'll hook you up. He does anything from oil changes to full turbo builds. So make sure you guys check him out. I'll put his Instagram in the description. And let's get back to the shop. So far so good, we're almost there. Just turned off the shittiest road ever. We're good. I actually was on my way to somewhere pretty cool. I had like a whole video idea ready for today using the Black Z and the Red Z. Now that we're back, it's too late. The place is closed, and there goes my video idea for the day. I've been skipping a lot of videos lately, and this is why I keep getting I keep messing up videos, but it's okay. We don't have anything crazy going on at the shop today. I'm waiting to pick up the motor for this thing on Monday, and I still need to take a junkyard trip to go and get the random parts I need for this thing. I don't know, I'm really upset. I was really excited for today, but it's whatever. It's part of the whole building a car thing. I'm happy it wasn't worse than that. Yo, what are you doing?
I gotta put this Canadian muffler on my car. Special, the ones in Canada, they're a lot louder.
All right, well, B-Hall spontaneously wants to delete his resonator on exhaust. I mean, I'm totally for it. I mean, I don't really care for loud cars, but fuck it.
It's just, I mean, there's another resonator on there. I mean, there's cats. Meow. I got rid of the muffler already.
Oh, you got a Canadian muffler too?
Yeah. I got a Canadian muffler, now I gotta put a Canadian resonator on.
Oh, did you just stall?
You just stalled. Did I stall? Look, my foot's on the clutch. How was I gonna stall?
Oh, your sleeve's going bad?
No.
First step in B Hall's fabulous resignator delete. Could cut the bitch out. So I think Don has a sawzall. Don, if you're watching this, I'm stealing your sawzall.
This is not. Do not use a wood blade.
Come on, no, we can do it.
I can't.
Pussy, I'll do it.
It's not good. It hurts. It's not fun. All right, I'll try it.
That's a wood blade.
It's a waste of time.
Is it?
I give up. I didn't even try.
Should we go get blades?
Yeah.
B-Hall, get in the car.
All right, I'm coming. I'm on it, man. We gotta get some blades. We gotta go to the store. Let's get it.
All right, get the saw blade. Got the Duncan. Perfect. Flat pipe.
Yeah, man, suffering clearance.
All right, guys, resonator is officially off. I would have filmed it, but I was holding it, so this ugly ass thing is getting deleted, and a nice little weight reduction, I guess, too. All right, guys, so whenever you buy piping from like Advanced or AutoZone that isn't stainless, they always come with a coating on it that makes your welds lay like crap. So you got to make sure you grind it off.
Also, this is galvanized. When this stuff burns, it's actually toxic.
So don't forget. Well, now that the exhaust is all cleaned up with a flapper wheel or a wire wheel we just did, B-Hall's got the cutout section by his forehead. and he's gonna tack it in place on the ground. We're gonna take it out and weld it outside the car. Aha! Slight change of plans. It's a good plan change though. So the pipe piece we had to delete the resonator is not long enough.
It's only like 2 inches.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, ask any girl.
I know.
But what's going on now is Don actually has ult to the blast pipes, which is pretty cool because B-Haul also needs an exhaust tip, so it's like a 2-in-1 combo. So we're gonna take this straight piece that he has here, which is long enough, and replace it with these bad Larrys. And I think it's gonna look pretty cool. We're gonna paint them up, make them look cool. It's gonna fit real nice right there, and you're gonna be killing it. Steffi brought us food. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So B-Haul is gonna keep playing with the piping. He had to cut a couple.
Using my leg for balance.
Perfect. So I'm gonna let him do his thing as he keeps mocking up. It's a little bit trial and error. While Steffi actually made a downside, we're gonna do something to her Miata. Now, I was very fortunate. Tommy F. Finally took apart his Miata that he's K-Series swapping, and underneath the hardtop that will never come off that thing was a good soft top. And Steffi's isn't good, it's all ripped up, so I bought this one off of Tommy with the whole frame attached to it, so it's nice and easy. I can unbolt it all and bolt it back in. I don't know if it's easy, I've never done it before, but we're sure gonna find out right now. Hopefully I could figure it out. I don't know, hopefully I don't break anything, but. So Steffi was in a pinch and used some duct tape to...
Jimmy had my car, actually. You had a bunch of cars and not any of them to drive, and it was raining, so this was the only duct tape I could find in my house.
Puppies. Okay, so I think
cute.
the first bit I have to do is... Oh boy, what do I do? There is a little plastic clips, you see them right here? All along the back, and I know I have to undo these. So we're gonna, luckily, a subscriber sent me this awesome ass tool.
Oh, it's so cute. It's like a staple remover.
Look at that. Makes my life so easy.
Nice.
All the pins are out, so now the carpet comes down, which is good. So all those bolts, I think there's 12 of them, I have to undo all of them. Soft top backing should disconnect from the chassis, and I believe there's 3 bolts underneath here and underneath there, and the whole thing comes out.
Uh-oh, don't you?
How's this coming?
Yeah, it's all right.
All right, guys, so I took the plastic side off right here, which is all of that, and there's 3 bolts holding the rest of it on. I think the whole thing should just come out, so fingers crossed this is the last of it, because that'd be really nice.
Dude, somebody did a serious job on these tailpipes.
On the arch cutting.
So what happened here, B-Haul?
It's
Leave it be, bro.
I know
It's a little crooked.
I'm splitting hairs. It's like we're too high on this side.
I know you're cringing on yourself.
I'm cringing hard, but
We're just welding.
Oh, fuck me. I looked in the light. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, for the ugliest gaps you fit up ever.
Last piece.
Someone's freaking out over there.
The final tack.
yeah, hopefully it sounds better than it looks. It didn't come out that great. It's kind of hard to do it on the ground. The Harbor Freight jack. I'm nervous. Are you ready?
Oh shit.
I do have a vibrant resonator I can throw in there when I get tired of how loud it is.
Oh, we got like. Oh shit. What's up, RJ?
Hiya.
How you doing?
Good.
How's your Miata driving?
Really good. I think it might be time for a clutch though.
You gonna go for a test drive with B-Haul?
Let's fucking do it.
Hey Brian,
What's up, buddy?
what's
Where'd
happening?
you come from?
I was at a stag.
It's not bad.
No, that's tameable.
That is. It's not bad.
That's you gets a little little growl when you want it. Keep it quiet when the feds are near you. That's right. Keep it on the DL.
Open diff sucks.
We're gonna be professional YouTubers and make sure you guys get outside the car sound clip. Do a quick flyby with B Hall here.
I mean, we're not the professionals.
We're gonna make it professional for the professional channel. Ooh. We're still in training.
Yeah, we're trainees.
Over, like right here, like a YOLO. Oh wait, no, is there a guy in that booth yet?
That's not the spot.
Oh man, it sounds way better from the outside. Yo, it sounds really good from the outside.
Quick, we gotta get out of here.
Oh shit! The cops! Here they come!
I'm hype.
Hype beast.
I like the dual blasters.
All right, guys, I hope you can see it's a little dark out, but the new top is officially on. Look how big this back window is. Jesus Christ, Steph's other one had like a leather strip all the way up to here, so it's like really small. This thing is nutty. Hopefully leaving this out in the sun kind of settles it because it's pretty wavy, and hopefully it doesn't get brittle now that it's actually out, and hopefully it doesn't crack, but we'll be good.
I'm so excited.
Are you happy?
It ends up being a shitload of work.
Wasn't too bad.
It really wasn't. I don't think it was that bad. Doesn't it look like they're on a date?
We've been together a long time.
A long time.
Can you just feel the love from here?
I know.
I could fall asleep right now.
In the arms of an angel. Alright guys, so today I had some mishap with the Z. It's unfortunate, but it's just part of the shakedown process. I know now to use better locking nuts and to go from there. So I have to get a 3-inch gasket, put it back together, we'll be good. Seal up the valve cover, we're good. It's okay. But B-All cut his muffler off, put a bitchin' blast pipe on it, and I think it sounds pretty good. I know Brian's pretty happy about it. You're stoked, right?
Sounds good.
Sounds pretty good.
Sounds sick.
And I know Steffi's hyped on her new top.
I'm so excited.
So no more puppy duct tape on there for her. So and it looks really good. So I'm pumped. It was a good day. And even though it started off pretty crappy and today did not go as planned, I still had a great day, and I think we all had a good day. So hope you guys liked today's video, and you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content.
What are you doing? You keep shaking your hand.
Good night.